Hello everyone. Today we are looking into a crypto challenge from TJCTF. The challenge name is The Art of War. Here you can see it. This is the challenge, and these are the challenge files. I already downloaded it. Let's see. So the challenge file is the main py and output text. So let's see it. So this is the main py script. The Python code tells us the flag n is encrypted many times and the e is the exponent and it is always the same. The message n is always the same, but a new n, the RSA modulus, is used each time. Now let's take output txt. So here you can see the output txt gives us E229. Then it lists 229 different n values and they are matching ciphertext C. So each pair C is C to the power E modulus n. And you can see there is too much C and E value. So that's it. According to this, I made a solution script here. This is my solution script. So this is the solution script. Here you can see. So we have now m to the power E here. The m value. So as now we have m to the power E. To get just m, we just need to take the eth root of the big number. A math library like gmpy2 can do that easily. Here we imported it. Right? Okay, so run this. And yes, we got our flag here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.